At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. Today I am going to share with you some important English proverbs. Now I am starting this topic. The first one is অতিলোভে তাঁতি নষ্ট, গ্রেপস অল লস অল. The second one is পাপের ধন প্রায়শ্চিত্তে দায়, ill got ill spent. The third one is যতক্ষণ শ্বাস ততক্ষণ আশ, while there is life there is hope. The fourth one is ইচ্ছা থাকিলে উপায় হয়, where there is will there is a way. The fifth one is অতি যত্নে মরণ ফাঁদ, care killed the cat. The sixth one is যেমন কর্ম তেমন ফল, as you sow so you reap. The seventh one is মরণকালে ঔষধ নাই, death defies. The eighth one is আপন গায়ে কুকুর রাজা, every dog is a lion at home. The ninth one is সব ভালো যার শেষ ভালো তার, all's well that ends well. The 10th one is সে কচি খোকা নয়, he is not chicken. The 11th one is সাত পাঁচ ভাবা, to think twice. The 12th one is আগুন নিয়ে খেলা করা, to play with fire. The 13th one is আগে দর্শনধারী পরে গুণ বিচারী, seeing is believing. The 14th one is আদা জল খেয়ে লাগা, to be up and doing. The 15th one is সস্তার দুরবস্থা, necessity knows no law. If you try this, you would be successful. That's the end of my video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.